Okay, so I enrolled in this course because everyone wants to know more about environmental problems and how to solve them, but no one actually, especially me. I always wanted to do something about it, but I never knew where to start from, and I don't even know the basics. So I just wanted to get to know it more, and also it was relating with psychology, which is my major, so that really interested me as well.
The course is called the Psychology of Sustainability, and it's a course where we use psychological theory and approaches to try to motivate people into making sustainable behaviour changes. And the students work with the local communities to raise awareness and create projects encouraging sustainable behaviour amongst the communities.
I was sort of expecting the class to be like a sustainability related class where there'd be content on like what is it to be sustainable, but as even sitting in the classroom, the content was a lot more interesting than I expected. Like what we learned about psychology and how to apply that to being more sustainable and being more environmentally friendly seemed very applicable and feasible.
One of the field trips that we did was with Very Nile. So it was by the Nile River, and they took us to see one of the sustainable practices that they do nearby the Nile. They use different trash that they find from the Nile River. So like we picked up styrofoam, different plastic bags, plastic bottles, shoes, and several different things that were very concerning. And we were able to recycle it and use it for eco-friendly and make eco-friendly products using it.
Well, what I learned in this course is that sustainability takes a lot, the environment especially, has a lot of impact on our mental health, and being sustainable on the long run will be more beneficial to a lot of people. So I learned a lot about how to sustain the nature and how to convince people of sustaining and actually do more sustainable practices.
So the changes I see in the students by the end of the course is they usually will start thinking that sustainability, and particularly they have this idea of sustainability in Cairo, Egypt, is not going to work. Right? That they can't do something themselves that will be meaningful, that will produce change. By the end of the course, I think I can confidently say that 90% of those students have changed their minds. And they also have changed some of their own behaviours.